All right, here's an example of vertex form. The information that you would be asked, once again, which way is it going to open? You can answer this without having to calculate anything. Is this going to open up or down? This is a negative out front, so it'll open down, meaning you're going to have a parabola that's upside down U. Okay. You're going to be asked to find its vertex. Now, notice that this is called vertex form. You shouldn't need to use your calculator to find the vertex here. You should be able to look at it and identify the coordinates very quickly because the x coordinate of your vertex is whatever value of x gives you a 0 in this portion. So what would our answer be? -2. And the y coordinate of our vertex is this value, this vertical shift here, -7. So the vertex, now you can actually answer it. The axis of symmetry also you can answer. It's a vertical line, x equals, through the x coordinate of your vertex. So x equals -2. Okay. And then in addition to this, you might be asked the following. Again, a y-intercept would probably be the other piece of information. Okay. And of that, you know that you're going to deal with a x coordinate of 0. And so this is probably the only other piece of information I ask from the vertex form. What can you do to solve this, to find the y-intercept? If we want, we could look at the graph. It is possible to enter the graphs just like we have. Go to the y-editor, enter -1/2 times the quantity x plus 2. Okay, so if we enter this as a square, now we'll be able to see our graph. So here's the vertex. It's a maximum. Again, but we've already established -2, -7 is the vertex. The axis of symmetry going to pass vertically through that. And then the y-intercept, again, you can see it here. The easiest way to find it, though, is just use the F5 tab, choose 0. So here's our 0, and we get our solution of -9 for the y-intercept. Okay, so for all of those, you should be able to answer those questions pretty quickly just by entering the information in your calculator and then taking a look at what it shows. Right, questions on any of that? Just kind of a review of what we've already gone through. Okay, so the last thing that I want to do then is I want to look at